Good afternoon. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to graph inequalities. Okay. Last time I taught you how to solve inequalities, but we did not graph inequalities. Today, I'm going to teach you how to graph inequalities. When you graph inequality, you have to care about the sign. That means if it's inequality sign like less, you need to get an open circle because it's less. If it's greater, also you will have an open circle. Okay. If it's less or equal, it's gonna be a closed circle. Okay, a closed circle. Also, if it's greater or equal, you will have a closed circle. So I'm going to teach you how to graph inequalities. Okay. So let's grab the first exercise. The first one is going to be y plus 5 less -7. So as you learn how to solve inequalities, inequalities are solved the same way you solve equations. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. So positive 5, negative 5, that cancel. So you have y, negative 7, negative 5, that's negative 12. Okay? So I'm going to graph y is less than negative 12. That's what I'm going to graph. Okay? Let's graph it. Okay? You do a number line. Number line. Okay. Let's start with 0 right here. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And then you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. You know that on the left side, on the left of 0, you're going to have negative numbers. So negative 2, negative 4, negative 10, negative 12, negative 14. So that the center right here, okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 10, 12. So let's graph it. So we have negative 12 right here. This is negative 12 right here. Remember, this is less than. That's going to be an open circle. Okay? Open circle. Let me do an open circle for you with the word 1. Open circle. Okay? Because it's a less than, my graph is going to be to the left. Okay? Perfect. Okay? That's an open circle right here. Yes, good graph. That's very easy. So pay attention of the sign if it's less than or greater than. So if it's less than, you come with an open circle. If it's less or equal, it's a closed circle. Okay, that's the first exercise. Okay, let's do a second one for you. Do a second one. Do a second exercise. Alright, the second exercise we have 12. 12 less or equal x minus 5. So I told you you're going to do, add 5 to both sides. 5 to both sides. Negative 5, positive 5, that cancel. So we have 17 less or equal x. So what we can do, because we have 17 less or equal x, we can switch, we can write it like that, x greater or equal 17, okay? Alright, so let's graph it. Let's graph it for you. And then graph it right here. Yeah. Let me make it. Okay. So the number line okay, let's say that's a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, we can say 17 is gonna be right here. That's 18, okay? That's 17 right here. So we have negative 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, okay? So we will have 17 negative numbers, okay? So we have 17 right here, so we're gonna graph it. Remember 17, that x greater or equal 17. Because it's greater or equal, we're gonna go to the right, okay? Go to the right because it's greater or equal. Remember, because it's greater or equal, it's gonna be a closed circle, okay? Closed circle right here. A closed circle, okay? And then it's greater or equal, we go that way, okay? We go that way. Okay. We can put 20, 22. Okay. Remember, it's a closed circle, right here. Okay? Closed circle. We start with 17. Remember, 17 right here. Okay, let me write it for you, 17, so that you can see it's 17. 17, okay? 17. Alright. Alright, that's not bad. Okay, let's do the third one. The third one is the third exercise. We have n 7 less or equal negative 2. So we can let add 7 to both sides. Negative 7, positive 7, that cancel. We have n less or equal that 5. Okay. So that's why we're gonna graph n less or equal 5. Okay. N less or equal 5. So let's graph it right here. Let's graph it. Let's graph it. So number line. So okay, write 0 right here. The center. Write 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative numbers. Okay, so look at, we have n less or equal 5. Less or equal 5. That's mean we're gonna go to the left. Okay, less or equal mean go to the left. Okay, so we're gonna go. Remember, less or equal mean closed circle. Closed circle right here. Closed circle. Closed circle. Okay, closed circle. So and less or equal. Alright, you go. Here you go. Alright. Very nice. Okay? Very nice. Very nice. Okay? Because we have less or equal, that's in a closed circle. Or less mean go to the left. We go to the left. Okay? So n less or equal 5. This is the 5. Alright. So let's do the last one. The last exercise. Do the last exercise. The last one. The last exercise is x minus 3 less 5. This is 5. Okay, we're gonna add 3 to both sides. Add 3 both sides. So negative 3 passes to 3, that cancel. Okay, bring down x. So 5 plus 3, that's gonna be 8. Okay. So we're gonna graph x less than 8. X less than 8. So let's graph it. So number line, okay. Okay, center 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's put it here. 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So negative numbers. Okay, we have 8 less, or we have x less than 8. So we're gonna just 8 right here. 8 open circle. Because it's less than 8, not less or equal, is x less than 8. So less means go to the left. So we go to the left. Go to the left. Yes, you can go all the way down, no problem. Okay? Very nice. Okay. That's it. I believe if you understand how to solve inequalities, it's going to be easy. It is very easy to graph inequalities if you know already how to solve inequalities. So if you have any questions regarding how to graph inequalities, feel free to visit my website. It's Get Smart. Get Smart, and then you will have many videos like this. Okay, thank you very much.